Narcolepsy. This presentation is done by Brittany Lilly. Imagine going about your day-to-day life. Everything seems fine, but the next thing you know, you're waking up from a sleep attack that you had no control over. What is narcolepsy? It's a chronic sleep disorder that is characterized by overwhelming daytime drowsiness and a sudden attacks of sleep. What's going on in the brain? The causes. No one is sure what causes narcolepsy, but researchers do have a hypothesis. Researchers hypothesize that a disruption in hypocretin neuron transmission causes human narcolepsy. This occurs in the hypothalamus. Here I have two experiments that researchers have done, what they did and what they found. Experiment 1. The hypothalamus was immunostained for hypocretin neurons. There was an 85 to 95% reduction in hypocretin neurons. In Experiment 2. Immunoreactive hypocretin was measured in the cerebral spinal fluid of 9 people with narcolepsy. In 7 of the 9 patients, hypocretin concentrations were below the detection limit of the assay. Here you can see two pictures. The picture on the right shows a normal person's brain versus a narcoleptic person's brain. With the normal person's brain, you can see small brown spots, and in the narcoleptic brain, you barely see any of those brown spots. The brown spots are hypocretin neurons. Then, the picture on the left side, you can see that when they counted and labeled all these cells, a normal person had a much higher count of hypocretin neurons than narcoleptics did. A deficiency in hypocretin neurons. What happens when the brain is low on hypocretin neurons? Since hypocretin neurons have a dense projection to the suprachiasmatic nucleus, the loss of this projection can explain the reduced amplitude of the circadian sleep rhythm in narcoleptics, resulting in increased sleepiness during the day and interrupted sleep at night. Facts about narcolepsy. Here I'll talk about the symptoms, the age, and the treatment of narcolepsy. So, the symptoms of narcolepsy. Narcoleptics usually experience sleep attacks, episodic loss of muscle tone, which is known as cataplexy, hypnotic hallucinations, and abnormalities of the sleep and wake cycle. The age of onset. The onset in most narcoleptics is seen in late onset between the ages of 20s and 40s. Narcolepsy doesn't occur in a lot of people. It's only seen in 0.03% of the population to 0.1% of the population. And since it's so rare, we don't really know which group is affected more by narcolepsy. The treatments of narcolepsy. Since narcolepsy is so rare, scientists have not been able to come up with a cure for it, but they did discover that it can be treated with monoaminergic amphetamine-like stimulants and antidepressants. Extras. So here I have a narcolepsy video where a girl goes about her daily life with studying, and she shows you what a narcoleptic attack is.
This video is called What Narcolepsy Really Looks Like, and as you can see, she's studying. Also, this video was done by Sleepy Sarah Elizabeth. As you can see, this video shows her falling asleep from a narcoleptic attack. Thank you for watching my presentation.